Speaking of iPhones, man builds a guitar out of 107 iPhones. And I'm not really sure why. Well, I'm sure why, because it's a cool thing to do, and you get the story, and you fabricate, and it's a hard task. So, but I don't think from a sound perspective it has enhanced the performance of the guitar. In fact, the guitar might sound worse. His name is Art Meyer. He runs a YouTube channel, 16,000 subscribers. So shout out, fellow YouTuber. He bought a number of iPhones from secondhand stores and repair shops, removed all the components and motherboard and so forth, and glued them together into a mahogany-stained block that was approximately 4 phones thick. He then used a template in order. You like this stuff, Will, the crafty stuff.
Yeah, I do.
He used a template to cut it out in the shape of a Tele-style guitar, which is a famous guitar shape, obviously. And you're about to see the finished product here. It's kind of a slick design. The edges around the iPhone, I mean, not the most practical thing. It's probably the jagged edges are ramming into the leg as they would.
Right.
But kind of an accomplishment.
Oh, yeah.
And you could imagine something like this also serving a purpose as sort of an art piece, Will.
Mm-hmm.
It's on the guitar stand, or it hangs on the wall, or it's framed up for the Apple enthusiast. And so you got to appreciate the creativity there. He has previously also built guitars out of ramen noodle packs, 36 in fact. So he gets very creative with the various materials. But he also goes on to say that these iPhones give a lot of high frequencies, despite the fact that the sustain block of the guitar is made of mahogany. The mahogany couldn't save the fact that iPhones are not necessarily the best components for the body of a musical instrument. So it probably is going to be more of an art piece. It is funny that if anyone ever asked you the trivia question, hey, Will, how many iPhones do I need to glue together in order to make a guitar? You know the exact number. You can say 107, sir. And I'll take my payment in gold coins.
Right on.
That's what you could say to them.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir, if you ever get asked that question. But it's cool. You can see in there you have some iPhone 6s, iPhone 5s. There are some iPhone 5C, which are the colorful iPhones, which really give it some pop, as our good friend Brad Hall would say. Mm-hmm. That's what gives it the pop. He says that often when he's checking out putting together an outfit.
Yeah.
Something like that. You try to put the pop in there. So anyway, 107 iPhones. Pretty cool little find.